So I'm here in Cloverdale, California, and this is Doug Duggar's operation here, Quality Sport Planes. And Quality Sport Planes has been kind of the Zenith rep on the West Coast for quite a few years now, and many of you here out in the West Coast know Doug and know of his services and everything that he does. And as you can see, he also washes airplanes, by the way. I don't think Doug would be ready to do that on a regular basis. So how many years, Doug, have you been doing the open hangar days? It's quite a few, isn't it? He's over 14 years. So, and the open hangar days, it's kind of like what we do at Zenith, except on a more regional basis, of course. And it gives an opportunity for Zenith builders to come out and to share airplanes, look at the airplanes, and learn more about building and flying Zenith airplanes. And of course, this is in Cloverdale, California, which is north of San Francisco, a beautiful area out here, kind of wine country. And come out and have a look, and we'll be documenting the activities throughout the day. Maybe we'll go flying and share more of that information as well. Yeah, this is our CH-750 cruiser airplane. Now, what engine do you have in here?
The 0235.
That's the Lycoming 0235 engine. What's that, rated at 115 horsepower, I believe?
116 and 28.
And how many hours do you have on this now?
About, I'd say 70 hours, something like
Okay,
that.
good.
And it does really well. The motor runs this airplane real good.
And this is Doug's CH-750 STOL airplane with the Jabiru 3300 engine. Roger and I took this out flying a year or two ago when we were down here last, taking off and landing on the rocky, the dry river beds and such along the Russian River. Beautiful little airplane, lots of fun, and very capable.
He was trying to show off.
That's not a Zenith, is it?
Yeah. Oh, all right. Okay.
Oh, sir. Sir, yeah.
Lie it up here with you tie it, and then
then she kind of lost interest after that, but at least it got it home and showed it made it.
Yeah. Do you keep it on your kayak?
Yes. Yeah.
Because I've flown into your kayak. My brother lives
Tail dragger. When they ship it, when the kid over here, does the truck come with its own forklift, or do I have to get it out of the truck? How do you get your...
We got the tiger head too.
Uh-huh.
Place that made it illegal. It is. And I don't.
They worked at that GM plant there, and they since come back, but my sister and her family just stayed out there.
Oh, it's crosswind up there for him. There he goes. Oh, he slipped? I know, you gotta watch out. Don't come in for shorts with a Viking motor. The Viking motor has landed.
You made it in. Good job.
Yeah, I made her.
All right. Congratulations.
How's it going?
So how many hours you have on it now?
We got 15.7 hours.
15.7. All right. Woo.
Yeah.
We'll hop out and kiss the ground.
Sounds good.
You should have heard Doug when you were coming in short final.
I was saying, come on, give it some gas, give it some gas.
He was. Good thing he wasn't in the right seat. He'd have been playing with your throttle or something.
Probably.
Yeah.
You did great though. That was good.